cardamom, green cardamom, and 1 clove. And my Kashmiri pink tea. To make it at home and have it with your loved ones. Boost your immune system. Kashmiri pink tea is also a very unique tea, and it is also called kaimak in Afghanistan. If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately. Even you guys try to make the recipes which I share, and please send me the pic and I'll highlight you over here. And I would also like to give a shout out to Mr. Kiran Raj for making the espresso coffee from my recipe. Thank you so much. Take a look at the pic he has sent me. It's really looking amazing. I'm proud of you. We are all set to make Kashmiri tea, the pink tea, which is also called kaimak. This is also drunk in Afghanistan as well as Kashmir. So this has a beautiful pink color, and it is made. Even nuts and spices are added to this tea, and it is really very tasty and very different. So that's why I chose this to make and show y'all. So for this we need 2 cups of very cold water. So the cold water should be ice water. It should be like, I will add ice to this water. So take a look. I have added ice to this water. So we have put this ice cold water into the saucepan. Into this I will add 3 teaspoons of tea powder. This is Society green tea powder. So normally Kashmiri tea is used for this, but we'll try this with our normal tea powder. But I have used Society green tea, so you can use the same if you want, or you can try it with the normal regular tea of yours. So I have put 3 teaspoons of tea powder in this, and I'll have to boil this now. So while boiling, I'll have to keep stirring it like this. So I'm adding 1 inch of cinnamon to this, 2 green cardamoms. Take a look, our tea is boiling a little bit. So when this starts boiling like this, we will add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So not baking powder, we have to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the boiling tea. See, like this. Let this keep boiling and let it reduce to 1 cup. So take a look. For the past 5 minutes I was continuously boiling my tea, and it has reduced to just 1 cup of tea. So at this point what I have to do is I have to take 1 more cup of water. I'll add ice to 1 more glass of water, and I'll add this into the pot. So I have again added 1 more glass of iced water into this pot, and again I'll have to heat it and bring it to a boil. I'll again have to bring it to a boil and bring it to the same consistency, the same quantity of 1 cup. But while boiling, remember, you should keep stirring it. So the cold water actually brings the pink color, the cold water as well as the baking soda which we put in the tea. It actually brings this pink color. So we have to keep on doing this. And the spices bring the taste to the tea, spicy taste, and because of the pinkish color is because of the ice water which we put inside. So we can already see there is a pinkish hue to our decoction. So yes, it is looking lovely. So yeah, I'll keep on stirring it and I'll keep on boiling it. While making this tea, always remember you have to stand over here and you have to keep stirring the tea. You cannot just keep it and just go away. But you can make this tea and keep it in the fridge, the decoction, and whenever you want you can remove this and put it in a hot glass of milk and prepare tea whenever you feel like. So the first time you are making it and keeping it in the store, before storing it in the fridge, you have to make a big quantity of it, and that time you have to stand and prepare it over here. Then later on you can remove it from the fridge whenever you feel like and have it along with milk. So yes, we will stir it and we'll bring it to a boil once again. So our tea was boiling for another 5 minutes, and I have reduced this to the consistency of 1 cup of 1 glass of water. So now at this stage I will have to add 1 teaspoon of salt to this. So we will be adding salt to our tea. Yes. So 1 teaspoon of salt will go inside. And we have to keep boiling it like this. So now I have taken half a glass of water. To this I'll add a few cubes of ice, and again I'll pour it into my pot of tea, and again I'll let it boil. This is the final time I'll be adding. Don't worry, no more putting ice into the tea. So we have to keep stirring it again and keep it on a high flame and let it boil. And again bring it to a lesser consistency. So let the quantity reduce even more now, once more. So let the quantity of the tea reduce once again after boiling, and keep stirring it while it's boiling. Now take a look, our Kashmiri tea has come to its final boil. So I have been boiling it for the last 3 to 4 minutes, and now it's time to strain it up now. So what I'll do is I'll just wait for 1 more minute and let it boil. And I'll switch off the stove and I'll start straining it in this vessel. So I'll start straining my tea in this vessel. So this strained tea is called toot in Kashmiri, and we can keep this in the fridge and we can use it as per our daily usage. Whenever we feel like, we can remove it from the refrigerator and put it in some boiled milk and have it. So I'll show you now how to make the tea for the drinking. So this was just the decoction, and I will now make the actual tea for the drinking purpose. So let me show you how. For this I have kept one saucepan on the stove, and I'll heat it. I'll start heating it first, and I'll add 2 cups of milk. As much as you need, you can add, like right now I need 2 cups of tea, so I'll add around 2 cups of milk. and I'll start heating it in this saucepan. So I've kept my the decoction which I had prepared of the Kashmiri tea in my refrigerator. So I'll after this is boiled, I'll remove it from the fridge and I'll add around 1 or 2 ladles as per I require. So as you can see, my milk is coming to a boil, and I have removed this toot or the Kashmiri decoction from the refrigerator. Now I'll add around 1 ladle into this and just stir it. Now look at the beautiful pink color which has come on my tea. It is looking really pretty. So this is what we are looking for. We'll have to add sugar into our tea like this. Around 2 teaspoons of sugar I'll add. 3 teaspoons because I have added 2 cups. Now I'll pour it into my cup. To this I'll add a few chopped nuts. I have some tea is ready to drink. There's another Kashmiri tea called Kahwa. So it's made from spices and nuts. So I'll teach you how to make it. All set to make my Kashmiri Kahwa tea. So this tea is really good for the immune system. I'll be adding 2 cups of water. So normally it is drunk in a glass like this. So we will use a glass, any glass which you have at home. I'll take some spices. I have 1 inch cinnamon. So I have got 2 sticks of cinnamon. I have got around 1 cardamom, green cardamom, and 1 clove. So I'll be pounding this, I'll be crushing them in my mortar, and I'll be just crush them lightly so that all the aroma comes emits into the water properly. So once everything is pounded up, we'll just add this into our pot and let all the aroma of the spices infuse in the water. So if you like more spices, you can add more. It's up to you, it's your choice. So right now it has been boiling for around half a minute, and a very rich and fragrant aroma is emitting in my kitchen, and it's full of flavors. It's really sweet smelling, and I am really feeling amazing. The senses, all the senses are alive right now. So at this stage, what I have to do is I'll add around 3 teaspoons of sugar. So now once the sugar has got melted, I'll just put 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri tea, or you can take any tea which you like, but not the masala tea, the plain tea. In your palms, I've taken 2 teaspoons in my palm, and I'll just rub them like this on my palm, and I'll slowly add it into my saucepan. We have a few strands of saffron, so we'll add saffron into this, and this really boosts the immunity system, and it's very good for your health because there are so many spices in it, and it gives a good taste. As well as during winters or monsoon, this tea goes very well if you want to keep yourself warm. These unique beverages I am making on the request of Lisa Jugs. Remember, she had requested me to make hot beverages. And on a glass like this, we'll add our chopped nuts. So we have some almonds and some cashews which are chopped, and we'll add them into our glass like this. We'll take a strainer and we'll add our tea into our glass. So look at this, our Kahwa tea is ready, and it's really yummy to drink. You should have this whenever you feel like, and this is really flavorful and amazing. You should make it and drink it. So make it at home and have it with your loved ones, and boost your immune system and make yourself healthy. So this is the best tea for winters. Bye bye.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, simply City.